Hi, I'm David Davis from Axotech Media. Excited to be here, joined by Leeza Malachevsky of ControlUp. Leeza, thanks for joining me.
Absolutely, thanks for having me.
So, I've been in the virtualization world for a long time now, many years, dating myself. And I worked with a lot of different virtualization management tools, but I haven't learned a lot about ControlUp. And I'm betting that a lot of the audience out there might not know what ControlUp is and what you all do. So let's just start off with that high level question. What is ControlUp and what problems do you solve?
Sure, so we're a monitoring, management, and remediation tool for data centers and EUC environments. What we do is we allow people to drill down from their hypervisor or any server or anything that they want to look at, all the way down to find the root cause of that problem and also solve that problem directly through ControlUp. So basically you don't have to go anywhere else. Everything just happens right there. Everything's in front of your face.
Okay, and that's a big challenge with virtualization admins. I mean, something's running slow and any user complains, and then you have to track down the source of the problem.
Yeah. You have to finger point, you have to do all this stuff, and our goal is to eliminate finger pointing on people's IT teams.
I like that. I mean, I've been in the boardroom with the storage admin, the network admin, and the server admin, and everybody's like, well, it's not my problem, it's your problem, yeah.
Yeah.
So what makes ControlUp different from these other tools? What really makes it unique?
Yeah, so what makes us unique is that we actually provide real-time metrics.
Okay.
When I say real-time, I mean every 3 seconds we update what's going on in your environment. We pull data in through API, we pull data in through a lightweight agent, but we also have a historical analytics feature. So basically what that does is it pulls data from your real-time environment and allows you to go back up to a year to see different trends, different problems, and sort of help you be a lot more proactive.
Okay. So if I were to download, can I download and just install ControlUp? Is it software?
Yeah, absolutely. So just go to ControlUp.com. There's a 21-day free trial. The download button is all over your face, obviously.
Okay.
It takes maybe 15 minutes to deploy with out-of-the-box functionality that we sort of have developed as best practice, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
And it's super easy. You'll be able to start seeing data from your environment right off the bat.
Very nice. So I can immediately get some results and maybe find out about some problems I didn't even know I had.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
We've actually had people at shows before. We've talked about ControlUp, demoed the product, and they're like, okay, They come back with their computer. We've deployed it for them on the spot, and they were immediately able to find issues.
Wow.
So that's some of the coolest sort of real world applications that I've seen.
Yeah, I'm going to have to try this for myself. Last question, what's new with ControlUp? I know you all are constantly innovating. I really like the UI, by the way.
Thank you.
Very
I
nice.
have nothing to do with it.
What's new at ControlUp?
Yeah, so we just recently released something called automated actions.
Okay.
So something that you can do in ControlUp is run script-based actions. Basically, it's a PowerShell script that either you write or we crowdsource them or we write internally.
Yeah.
It's actually super cool. It marries that with something called incident triggers, where you can get alerted when any threshold that you have set goes above your expectations, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So essentially what you can do is you can write a script that says, if this threshold hits Y, then perform X. So you can automatically remediate tricky issues that you're experiencing all the time without having to go into the console and do it. Which is super cool. And yeah, that's one of the biggest things that we've released recently.
So it can fix problems for me while I'm asleep or on vacation or whatever. Yeah.
Yep. It's really awesome.
Very nice. Well, I'm going to have to try ControlUp for myself. Thank you so much, Leeza.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.